Hi, and welcome back to the series on the 6 thinking hats. My name is Rukmini, and this video is the second part of a series of 4 short talks on the 6 thinking hats produced for the Help Library in Mumbai. If you have not already done so, please do watch part 1 of the series where I talk about the concept of the 6 hats that originated through Edward de Bono. And in that talk, I also introduce each of the 6 hats. In this and in the next 2 parts of this series, we will talk about pairs of hats, each of which represent a polarity. For example, in this video, we will talk about using the red and the white hats consciously together. If you've watched the introduction, you know that the white hat is all about gathering facts and figures and verified information related to the issue or to the task at hand. The red hat, on the other hand, is about expressing feelings, emotions, intuition, or even gut feel about the same subject. Why is this combination of hats valuable? It is because a lot of us tend to operate from a default mode where when we are confronted with polarities, we prefer one kind of input over another. For example, some of us may be comfortable expressing our emotions and basing our decisions on it, while some others might like to go by proven facts. However, in most circumstances, given that we work both with ourselves and with other people around, both facts and feelings are involved, and both of them need to be addressed. One is not more important than the other. Think of some of these scenarios, for example. Let's say you have to give a performance feedback at work to one of your team members, and you like the team member, but you know that they've not done so well in the recent past, and you need to give them clear feedback without wanting to hurt their feelings. Or let's say you need to speak to your partner or to your spouse who's very angry that you forgot to pay the bills yet again, and you need to manage the situation. Or let's say you've been offered a dream job, but the pay scale that it's offered at comes at a much lesser income than what you're currently used to, and you need to make a decision around this. Or let's say your child has lied to you about skipping classes to go to, let's say, a concert or a party, and you've just found out, and you need to have a conversation with your child about what's happening. In each of these cases, if you operate from a default mode of preferring facts over feelings or feelings over fact, chances are that you will end up operating from a bias, and that does not make for a healthy conversation. The process of the conversation might feel unfair or prejudiced to people around you, and also you might lose out on the opportunity to make a balanced decision. So these are times when you need to make the effort to consciously wear both the white and the red hats while preparing for the conversation, so that you have a well-rounded perspective and you're fairly unbiased. So that's the polarity I wanted to address in this video. In the next 2 videos, we will look at other 2 polarities that can be managed using the 6 hats process. So do watch out for parts 3 and 4 of the series.